boys and girls, and welcome to Go on Guitar, a great song here from GIMS called Sois Pas Timide. And I think that translates into don't be shy, alright? So if you like this song, don't be shy. Try this tutorial, and let's take this together. We will do this song that is very GIMS-esque, alright? So he has his DNA in his songs, and this one is certainly one of those songs that really, okay, this is GIMS. So yeah, if you like him as an artist, this is a great song to go for. Let's start this one up with the capo set on the 6th fret, alright? So with that, we have 3 different chords. So we're gonna look at the chords first and then melody and see how we can do this, wrap it up together, all right? So we have A minor first, that's the first chord. So it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be F. That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret and you cover all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is G, and you go like this: 3rd fret on E string, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. For this specific song, if you don't want to, you don't have to play the 3rd E down there, because this G will just pretty much jump pretty fast on it. So it's enough to just play the bass mid strings, and guess what? Then you just need to hold 3rd on E and 2nd on A. And that is probably what I would do if I played this specific song, all right? Because the melody and everything, we don't need any other notes than these two for either strumming or melody. So that's up to you. I showed the full chord, but yeah, I will use just the bass strings for this G. All right, that's the chords, and the chord progression will be A minor, F, and G from the beginning till the very end. Let's now take a look at the melody. So I'm gonna take you through this chord by chord, starting with A minor, so grab that chord. So A minor goes like this. Okay, so you play open A, 2nd D, 1st B, short pause, and then comes 3rd B, and open high E. That's the A minor part, like this. Then comes the F part, it goes like this. So that is to play 1st fret on E string together with 2nd G, then 3rd A, 3rd D. That's it for F, and then over to the final chord, the G, and it's played like this. You pretty much roll down from the 3rd fret E string in the bass, then open D, open G, and open B. And that's the end note of this melody. So together that sounds like this. Okay, so a couple rounds. Cool there, huh? That's the melody. Now let's translate this into strumming. So of course we go back to the 1st chord, A minor, and we have a strumming that is divided into 2 different parts, but this 1st chord happens to play both parts here, so both part 1 and part 2. So we're gonna separate it here in the A minor. So the first part will be down, up, clap, down, like this. Just 1 down first, and then short pause, and then up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. And then a short pause between this part and the part that comes after, the part 2. And that's part 2. You're just gonna play 2 downs. That's it. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, down, down, down. That's 1 round. A couple rounds, you get the feeling for the rhythm that goes on. And so on. All right, so we're gonna play A minor 1 full round, like we just did, down, up, down, 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 down. Then F, part 1, the down, up, clap down. And then you go to G and play down, down. That's what I mean with the G. You just play 2 downs fast, and it's enough to play on the bass mid string there. So A minor 1 full round, F part 1, and G part 2, like this. Just mention one thing here in the A minor. Since you have the full string around there, down, up, down, down, and then part 2, down, down, you have 2 notes in there of A minor, the 3rd fret B string, and open E. Try to get these 2 notes with the final part 2, down, down. It fits perfectly well there. That's the reason for having this strumming pattern that goes and flows with the melody. So that is one way in the way that you can highlight certain notes and bring in the melody into the strumming. So what I mean by that is like this. Okay, so the final part there, down, down. So. And then continue. All right, so that is one way of highlighting certain notes and build melody and strumming all together. Okay guys, so that is it when it comes to Metal Games. Sois Pas Timide, don't be shy. Give me a like on this one, this tutorial if you did, and if you like this channel and haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just one click away and you will have great songs, new songs, all goodies, songs you can wish for, specifically on Wednesdays, and that's it guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tune.